We are now here with the Garden Pro by OKI, and this Pro consists, like every other Pro, of a printer, of a second paper tray and a media package. And we are now going to unbox this. This is the media package with media especially chosen for garden centers. And we are now going to present these and many more media.
Can you show me what I will find in this box?
Yes, of course. First of all, we have our welcome box where you can find anything to get started and print our different media. For the media, we have loop labels, for example, which you can hang on a plant. We have floor stickers, which you not only can stick on the ground, but also on windows and remove it very easily. And we have banners to present, for example, special offers.
And here are the holders for the banners?
Yes, of course.
With the OKI Template Manager, you already get various gardening sample designs. Here we choose the floor sticker. By simply editing the text, and exchanging the logo to your own one, you can create your own floor sticker in the twinkling of an eye. Or just create your personal design from scratch, what we have done here. For printing, simply click the print symbol, choose the OKI 834 Profi box and go to Setup. Under Format, click User Defined and enter the correct size. Then select User Defined 2 under Type. Finally start Print and ready. Here we are showing you how to print a banner for the decoration of the shop. It's quite easy because you just take the paper, open up the multi-purpose tray, lift up the flip, put the paper all the way back to the end of the multi-purpose tray, adjust the side guides until they are not too close and not too loose, flip it down and put the paper all the way back into the output tray. This is to ensure that the paper, since it's 1.20 meters long, is inserted correctly. You see how quickly this is printed, and you can immediately afterwards just utilize that banner.
That's easy.
So the only thing left is to attach the banner holders, which is also easily done.
Okay, let's try. Easy.
Yep.
For a better wayfinding, I'll print a floor sticker. It's important to put the sticky side down. Now I print the loop labels for the pricing. Remember to place the paper correctly. Ready. The Garden Pro by OKI is a small printer with a good print quality. There are many different media in the box, and it's very easy to handle. It's a good choice for garden centers and flower retailers.